Let's have a look on some interactive periodic tables which are available free of cost and which you can access and download on your desktops. First is Calcium. So it is a free open source, but it is installed only on Linux operating system. So it is not installed on Windows. So first is Calcium, which is very popular, but the drawback is that you should have Linux operating system on your PC, right? But alternatives to Calcium are there. First is Periodica periodic table. It is free and it is available on Windows. Means you can install this Periodica periodic table on Windows, but for that you should have Windows 10 or upper versions of operating system. Next is periodic table of elements. So it is also free. It is available for Windows. It is available on web. It is used for Android, Chrome, Kindle Fire, etc. Then next is NEG periodic table of the elements. So it is also free and it is available for Windows also. It is also an interactive periodic table. And periodic table classic. This is also free, open source, and it is available for Windows and iPhone also. So these are some of the options which are available for interactive periodic table. Let's see some other interactive periodic tables, which are also, the links are provided by Humboldt State University, right? This is, if you scroll down, so here is interactive simulation for general chemistry. So when you click on this, so this page will open, and from here you can find periodic table, interactive periodic table. So when you click on periodic table, so it will ask for Adobe Flash Player. So when you click on Adobe Flash Player, just click on allow and this periodic table will appear. So it is an interactive periodic table. If you click on any element, for example, lithium, so it will show you all the information about lithium, its density, boiling point, melting point, symbol, its atomic mass, right? Crystal structure, sorry. So it is BCC, etc. So, and if you want to return to the periodic table, click on return and click on any element which you want to have a look for its details, right? So you can explore this periodic table also. It has other features, right? In this general chemistry interactive simulation, there are other topics also. For example, Coulomb's law, then compounds, molecules and moles. If you click on compounds, molecules and moles, so this interface will appear and you can explore this. For example, for water, molar mass is there, percent composition is there, sulfur dioxide. So it will show you the structure of sulfur dioxide and mass, moles, particles, etc. So there are so many options available in this general chemistry interactive simulations. Then there is one more interactive periodic table by of Chemistry. So if you click on this, so it will give you this interactive periodic table, and similarly you can explore the details of the elements by clicking on a particular element, and when you click on a particular element, its details will appear and it will show you so many other things also, right? About group, period, block, atomic number, uses and properties. When you click on uses and properties, so this page will open. So it will give you all the details about that element, its history, atomic data, oxidation states. For example, if I click on oxidation state and isotopes, so it will give you the details of this. So Calcium is installed on Linux operating system only, but if you want to install that on your Windows, that is not possible because Linux operating system is required. But there is another option that is provided by this www.rollapp.com. So if you click on this link for installing link, and it will take you to this page, right? So if you want to have the same experience of Calzium, so click on this Calzium roll-on app, and it will ask you for upgrade now or launch Calzium with limited capabilities. So click on launch Calzium with limited capabilities if you want to use this app for free. So it will ask you for sign up, and when you signed up to the app, then you can log in, and when you log in, this interface will appear of Calzium roll app, right, on your screen. So this is the interactive periodic table with many more features. So if you click on file, so there is option of save as, export data, convert chemical files, etc. Then there are then if you click on view, there are tables, numeration, scheme, gradient, etc. So tools, when you click on tools, isotope data, plot data, perform calculations, R by S phrases, glossary, tables, etc. And on settings, you can use this show tool bar. You can select this, or you can unselect this, show status bar, configure shortcuts, etc. But this has some limitations. So some features are not available in free version. So for that, you have to use the Calzium on Linux operating system to get all the features in freeware, right? So let's explore this interactive periodic table Calzium. So if you click on classical periodic table, this drop down list, so this is the classical periodic table which is showing, right? If you click on short periodic table, it will convert the periodic table into this form. If you click on long periodic table, it will convert the periodic table into this form, long form of the periodic table, including these lanthanides and actinide elements in the periodic table. And if you click on transition elements, it will show you only the transition elements of the periodic table. So in this way, you can select which periodic table type you want. So let's remain with classical periodic table. Then if you click on any element, it will give you the detail of that element. For example, potassium. So when you click on potassium, it will give you the potassium symbol, its atomic number, its mass, and etc. Right? Then it is asking for to open in a new window. So all the details of potassium will now are available in this window: melting point, boiling point, electron affinity, electronic configuration, covalent radius, etc. And if I just enlarge this window, so these options are available. And if you see on the left hand side of this window, there are this is data overview which is showing in this window. Then atom model, isotopes, miscellaneous, spectrum. So if we click on atom model, so this is the atom model of potassium. This way you can also see isotopes by clicking on the isotopes. So it will give you detail of the isotopes. Then miscellaneous, so it will give you the history of the element, origin of the name. Then if you click on the spectrum, it will show you the spectrum of potassium element and extra information, etc. So these options will appear when you click on a particular element, and the details of that elements will appear. So click on scheme. When we click on scheme, so now the periodic table is shown in blocks. If you click on iconic, see the periodic table will change. So it will appear in the elements will appear as pictures. Then if you click on family, then periodic table will be converted into families: alkaline, non-metals, other metals, transition metals, metalloids, etc. And when you click on groups, so it will be shown as groups, right? Then in colors, when you click on colors, so it will show you in different colors. There is option of gradients, so you can also select elements according to the state of matter. For example, if I click on state of matter, so it will show you all the elements in this color are solid, in green color they are vapors, and in mauve color they are S block elements, and so on. So according to the colors. So yes, this is the important feature of this Calzium, perform calculations. So when you click on perform calculations, yes, types of calculations. So molecular mass calculator, construction calculator, let's see one by one. So if you click on molecular mass calculator, so click on molecular mass calculator. So this window will appear, and if you write box, for example, I want to calculate the molecular mass of sodium hydroxide. So write sodium hydroxide, NaOH, and the molecular mass will appear. So it will count automatically. So sodium atomic mass is this, total mass, percentage, oxygen, hydrogen. So total mass of molecular mass will appear. And similarly, we can plot graphs between different variables. So if you click on plot data, a new window will open, and here are x-axis variables and y-axis variables. So on x-axis variables, there are atomic number, mass, electron activity, melting point, boiling point, atomic radius, covalent radius. So choose any one variable from x-axis. Then on y-axis, there are again the same variables are there. So if we want to plot a graph between atomic number and atomic mass, then choose these options, and you can change the options here also. So first element is, if you want atomic number 1 from last element 36, or let me change this number to 20, right? And you see the graph will change according to the settings you will do. And if you want to plot a graph for all the elements, click on all the elements. Then display no labels, or if you want to see the element names or element symbols, then click on that, and the element symbols will appear on the graph. Then element type, all elements you want to be in the graph, or you want to choose from these options, so you can do that also. So these are some of the interesting features which are present in Calzium, but from Calzium Rollup, you will have a limited access, and it is online only, and you cannot do these things offline. So you can explore this interactive periodic table also.